Ever wondered if there's a difference between a fortress and a bank vault when it comes to securing your crypto? Both are designed to protect your most valuable assets, but their approaches, features, and even the threats they guard against can be surprisingly distinct. In the world of hardware wallets, this analogy perfectly describes the two titans we're comparing today, the ELLIPAL Titan and the Ledger. You've probably heard of Ledger. They're a household name in crypto security, with their sleek, USB stick-like devices. But then there's ELLIPAL, often lauded for its air-gapped security. So, what sets these two apart, and which one is the right fit for your precious digital holdings? Let's dive into the core differences. The most fundamental distinction lies in their connectivity. The ELLIPAL Titan prides itself on being truly air-gapped. What does that mean? It means the device itself never connects to the internet or any other network via USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. All transactions are initiated and verified through QR codes scanned between the ELLIPAL device and its companion mobile app. This physical isolation is ELLIPAL's strongest security claim, aiming to prevent any potential online vulnerabilities or remote attacks from ever reaching your private keys. Imagine it as a digital vault completely sealed off from the outside world. Ledger, on the other hand, while still a cold wallet that keeps your private keys offline within a secure element chip, does utilize connections like USB and Bluetooth to interact with your computer or smartphone via the Ledger Live app. The private keys themselves are designed to never leave the secure element, even when connected. Ledger's argument is that their secure chip and proprietary operating system, OS, are robust enough to protect against attacks even with these connections. They offer convenience through these connections, allowing for a more seamless user experience, especially when dealing with frequent transactions or managing a large portfolio. Think of Ledger as a highly secure bank vault with a very carefully controlled, audited access system. Beyond connectivity, let's talk about the user experience and design. The ELLIPAL Titan typically features a larger touchscreen, which can be a significant advantage for reviewing transaction details clearly. Its robust, all-metal construction also gives it a highly durable, anti-tamper feel. Any physical attempt to breach the device is designed to trigger a self-destruct mechanism, wiping the data to protect your assets. The ELLIPAL ecosystem largely revolves around its mobile app, making it a great choice for those who prefer managing their crypto on the go with their smartphone. Ledger devices, particularly the Nano X and Nano S Plus, are often more compact, resembling a USB drive. They feature smaller screens and physical buttons for navigation and transaction confirmation. While Ledger Live offers a comprehensive desktop and mobile experience, interacting directly with the device usually involves more button presses than a touch screen. Ledger also supports a vast number of cryptocurrencies, often requiring you to install specific apps on the device for each coin you want to manage. ELLIPAL, while supporting a wide range of assets, often handles them natively without the need for individual app installations for each coin. Both wallets implement a secure element chip, which is crucial for protecting your private keys. Both also offer mnemonic phrase backups for recovery in case of loss or damage. However, their core philosophy on connectivity and physical interaction sets them apart. The ELLIPAL Titan prioritizes maximum isolation, while Ledger balances strong security with a more integrated and user-friendly experience across multiple platforms. Choosing between the two ultimately comes down to your personal security preferences and how you plan to interact with your crypto. If ultimate air-gapped isolation and a large touchscreen are your priorities, ELLIPAL Titan might be your ideal fortress. If you value a more widely adopted solution with seamless connectivity to your desktop and mobile devices, without compromising on strong secure element protection, then a Ledger might be your go-to bank vault. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.